if it is happening, then that tells you somebody is not in charge. Somebody is not in charge. Somebody is not in charge. He is not in charge of the team. He's not in charge of Mount Kenya. As much as he wants to say is the kingpin. He's not.
Yeah.
And now the thing gets more complicated when you see the president coming at the airport and being received by the Ministry for Interior. I mean, you look at it and then you ask yourself questions. I think somewhere along the line, that's why these boys are making noise. They can now see this guy has been removed some of these automatic positions that he holds as the deputy president. So they are trying to remove them. That at the end of the day, this guy is powerless. I think that's what is happening. And I think where I stand, as my colleague has said,
yes.
I think the deputy president. He still has that DO type of, the colonial type of, the leadership where you want to muscle people behind you. And the leadership of today, there is no room for muscling. I can assure you, there is no room for muscling. You have to go down, talk to people, make sure that people believe in you, people understand you. And that's why you find, for example, why I say that I went to Nyeri and people are telling me, honestly, if Uhuru comes here and Kashakwa comes here, you will see a very big difference. People will go to where Uhuru is. Simply because Uhuru is down to earth. Uhuru is, there's a way they now respect Uhuru in terms of the way he delivers his information. Now, I think, as my colleague has said, the deputy president must go down, rethink, evaluate on how he makes statements as the deputy president. I think that has been one of the undoing that he's doing, and that's where he's in shit.
Pretty much.